Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Match by Amazon, now officially known as Match on Demand, is a fantastic print on demand, that is POD service, that allows designers and creators to sell custom designed apparel and other merchandise without any upfront costs, inventory management, or shipping hassles. Amazon handles the printing, fulfillment, and customer service. This full tutorial will guide beginners through the step-by-step process of selling on Match on Demand. The first step is to apply for a Match on Demand account. So, Match on Demand is currently an invite-only platform. You need to apply and even get approved later. Now, just in here, open your favorite browser or web browser. Visit the Match on Demand website by just typing in here match.amazon.com. Go ahead and now sign up. Click the sign up or request invitation button. Log in or create Amazon account. You'll use your existing Amazon account or even create a new one if you don't have one. Now this is the complete application. Business type, select individual if you don't have a registered business. For creator information, fill in your personal details, contact information, and country of residence. For bank account, provide your bank account details for royalty payments. Tax information, you'll need to complete a tax interview. For US residents, this is straightforward. For non-US residents, you'll generally complete a W-8BEN form to claim treaty benefits, which reduces the withholding tax rate. Now go ahead and submit and wait. The waiting period for approval can vary from a few days to several months. Use this time to learn about design, niche research, and Amazon's policies. Now this is tips for approval. Ensure all information is accurate actually. Demonstrate a genuine interest in design and understanding of the platform. Have some original design ideas ready to show, even if not explicitly asked. Once approved, you'll gain access to your Match on Demand dashboard. The dashboard is here. This is your central hub. You'll see your current tier, available submissions, published products, and sales data. The third step is the niche research and the design idea generation. This is crucial for success. Don't just design what you like, design what people are searching for and buying. Identify the niches, personal interests, that is, start with hobbies, passions, or inside jokes you know well. Trends as well, look at current events, holidays, pop culture, upcoming seasons. For Amazon bestsellers, browse Amazon's best-selling t-shirts and clothing sections. Look at products with good bestseller ranks, that is BSR. Also have some research tools. Tools like Match, Informa, Spy, AMZ, or free tools like Google Trends and Amazon's search bar suggestions can really help. Let's get to idea generation. You have quotes or sayings, simple text designs are often actually popular. Illustrations or graphics as well, unique artwork. You can use free sites like this Canva to do that. We have a tutorial on how to do designs with Canva actually, and just be sure to check that out as well. We also have hybrid where you can combine now the text and graphics. Target audience, think about who would buy this t-shirt and why. What problems does it solve? What emotion does it evoke? Let's get to the fourth step where you can create your designs now. That is artwork best practices. These are some of the design guidelines which is crucial actually for approval and quality. For file format, use PNG with a transparent background. For color mode, sRGB. Amazon converts to CMYK for printing. Resolution at least 300 dpi, that is dots per inch. Dimensions for standard t-shirt 4500 pixels wide times 5400 pixels high. So other products have different optimal dimensions. Amazon's design editor can help scale, but starting large is best actually. This is the recommended. Start with a global artwork file of at least 4500 pixels wide by 5400 pixels high that can scale down for all products. File size under 25 MB is crucial. Font size and line weight for lightweight fabrics like t-shirts, minimum font size that is 32 pt, minimum line weight of 2 pt, and for heavyweight fabrics, that is the hoodies, minimum font size of 48 pt, minimum line weight of 3 pt. Quality is key. Avoid blurry images, pixelation, watermarks, or poor quality graphics. Let's get now to the intellectual properties, that is IP, which is actually very important. No copyright or trademark infringement. Do not use any copyrighted characters like Disney, Marvel, etc. Movie quotes, brand logos, sports team logos, or trademarked phrases without any explicit permission. This is the fastest way to get your account suspended or terminated. So just take note of that. Research as well. Use the USPTO, that is the United States Patent and Trademark Office database, and other regional IP databases like EUIPO for Europe to just check phrases before designing. Public domain as well. Content in the public domain is genuinely safe, but just verify. Just go ahead and strive for unique, original designs. The fifth step is now to upload your design and create your product listing. This is where you bring your design to life on Amazon. Go to create in your dashboard, upload your high resolution transparent PNG design, select products, choose which product types you want your design to appear on, match on a demand, offers standard t-shirts, premium t-shirts, v-neck t-shirts, and many more. Now select colors as well. Choose the product colors that best complement your design. Ensure your design is visible on all selected colors. Set pricing and royalties. You'll see Amazon's base cost for each product. You set the retail price. Research competitor pricing to stay competitive while ensuring a healthy profit margin. Ensure product details. This is optimization for search. Brand name. This can be your personal brand or a unique name for your design line. Product title. This is critical for search. Include relevant keywords that customers might use to find your product. Be concise and descriptive. Maximum of 200 characters allowed, but aim for under 80 for mobile readability. Bullet points as well, which are the features here. Use 2 key bullet points to highlight the design's unique features, benefits, and target audience. Maximum of 250 characters each. Focus on customer benefits. Now go ahead and review and submit. Carefully review all details, previews, and ensure compliance with all policies. Then click submit. Now, once approved, your product will appear on Amazon within 24 to 48 hours. We have the royalties. You earn a royalty on every product sold. Amazon pays out monthly, usually around 30 days after the end of the month in which the sales occurred. Now go ahead and monitor the sales, track your sales on your dashboard. This data is vital for understanding what's selling and what isn't, helping you refine your strategy. Tire apps. As you make sales and fill your slots, Amazon will automatically tire you up. Now, these are some of the key success strategies for beginners. Start with simple designs, focus on clear text, simple graphics, and popular niches. Research, research, and research. Spend more time researching niches and keywords than designing. A great design in a non-existent niche won't sell at all. Fill your slots as well. Once approved, try to fill all your available design slots in your current tire. This is often a factor for tiring up. Optimize listings, use relevant keywords in your title and bullet points. Think like a customer searching on Amazon. Quality over quantity at first. Diversify designs. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Try different niches, design styles, and product types. Stay updated on trends as well. Follow social media trends, news, and holiday calendars for inspiration. Understand also Amazon's policies and take note of it. Learn from sales data, analyze which designs are selling and which aren't. Double down on what works. Don't give up. It takes time to get sales and tie up. Match on a demand offers an incredible opportunity to leverage Amazon's ecosystem for your print on demand business. Good luck! Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.